Enduro Industries created the Pulsar line of modular owl-powered electromagnetic warfare weapons to combat quickly changing electromagnetic spectrum threats. At the tactical edge, Pulsar uses artificial intelligence to swiftly detect and eliminate enemies. Its software-defined design allows it to instantly adjust to evolving threats, guaranteeing its effectiveness against a variety of targets. Because of its modular design, the system is simple to integrate into a variety of platforms, such as ground vehicles and airplanes. Advanced functionality and versatility, Pulsar has the potential to transform electronic warfare and give armed forces a major edge in the contemporary battlefield. For snipers and machine gun crews, the HISS HD Thermal Sniper Sight is a high-performance thermal weapon sight. With its vivid, high-definition display and smooth integration with a variety of day scopes and weapons, it provides outstanding long-range optics that let users to detect and identify targets at distances more than 2,200 meters. In both complete darkness and dimly lit daylight, the HD offers unmatched accuracy. It is the perfect option for snipers and other professionals needing accuracy and dependability in challenging situations because of its lightweight construction and compatibility with ballistic equipment. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or spy drones UAVs with surveillance technology, have completely changed how we obtain information. These tiny aircraft, which have high-resolution cameras, may be placed in hazardous or isolated locations to provide real-time intelligence without endangering human life. Sensors for thermal imaging and possibly artificial intelligence spy drones are able to locate and follow targets, keep an eye on infrastructure, and collect evidence for law enforcement. Even though their uses have many advantages, concerns over privacy and security have been raised by the ethical ramifications and potential for abuse. And as technology develops, spy drones' place in our society is only going to grow. A state-of-the-art unmanned aerial system, UIIA-S, built for tactical settings and precision striking capabilities, is the Viper 300 attack. This sophisticated drone can carry out precise attacks because it is outfitted with deadly payloads. Because of its compact size and exceptional maneuverability, the Viper 300 Assault can function well in tight and complicated areas. Its mix of cutting-edge technology, accuracy, and adaptability makes it the perfect tool for special forces and military groups in need of a dependable and effective strike option due to its quick deployment and simplicity of use. The Viper 300 attack improves modern combat operations' tactical capabilities. The Turkish business Electrolin Defense created and manufactured the adaptable Bogac 6x6 unmanned ground vehicle, UGV. It is a useful tool for both military and civilian purposes because of its modular architecture, which enables multiple configurations to meet diverse operational needs. One of the Bogac 6x6's most noteworthy uses is for medical evacuation. With a remotely operated stretcher module, the vehicle can safely move injured people from dangerous situations to secure locations, lowering the risk to human rescuers. The vehicle can also be set up for tasks like reconnaissance surveillance and disposing of explosive ordnance, showcasing its versatility and adaptability. The skill of special operations, the United States Navy mainly uses Riverine SOC-Rs, which are nimble and adaptable vessels built for riverine and nearshore operations, to insert and remove special operations forces like Navy SEALs and clandestine missions that are outfitted with cutting-edge weapons and propulsion systems. SOC-Rs can function in difficult environments, such as shallow. They can swiftly traverse intricate canals thanks to their speed and agility, and their ability to blend in with the surroundings allows them to approach targets without being noticed. SOC-Rs are crucial instruments for carrying out a variety of special operations tasks, such as hostage rescue and direct action reconnaissance. A cutting-edge Chinese anti-aircraft gun and missile system, the Type 625 is intended to offer complete air defense capabilities. This powerful weapon platform is a flexible and efficient means of defending against a range of aerial threats because it combines the accuracy and range of surface-to-air missiles with the firepower of a rapid-fire Gatling gun. The system's main weapon is a 25mm Gatling gun with 6 barrels that can shoot at a very fast rate of fire. Because of its ability to fire quickly, it can attack numerous targets at once, which makes it especially useful against low-flying aircraft or swarms of drones. It can autonomously track and engage targets thanks to its advanced fire control system, which lessens the operator's burden and improves response time. Teledyne FLIR, a pioneer in infrared technology, created the extremely advanced Teledyne FLIR Rogue One thermal imaging system for accuracy, adaptability, and difficult conditions. Whether used for surveillance, search and rescue missions, or critical infrastructure monitoring, the Rogue One's remarkable thermal sensitivity and image clarity make it perfect for both military and industrial applications. It consistently delivers dependable performance even in the most taxing circumstances. Its state-of-the-art architecture enables smooth platform interaction, guaranteeing users the highest level of situational awareness in real time. One example of how thermal imaging technology can improve operational capabilities is the Teledyne FLIR Rogue One. The Hyper-Concealable Hyperline body armor is a state-of-the-art protection solution made with advanced materials for optimal subtlety and effectiveness. This body armor provides NIJ Category IIIA protection, preventing blunt force hits and high-velocity handgun rounds. Despite its high level of protection, the Hyperline is incredibly thin and light, making it comfortable to wear under regular clothes. Its ergonomic design guarantees a tight fit, reducing bulk and any visible outline, making it perfect for covert operations or personal protection in settings where discretion is essential. Unmatched concealability combined with superior ballistic protection, comfort, and agility are not sacrificed for peace of mind thanks to the Hyper-Concealable Hyperline body armor. With its high level of protection against ballistic and mental threats, the NIMR HAFEET 6 multiplied by 6 is a multi-purpose armored vehicle that may be used for a range of military and security applications. It was designed and manufactured by NIMR Automotive in the United Arab Emirates. The HIT can be set up to function as an ambulance, recovery vehicle, or armored personnel carrier command vehicle, showcasing its versatility to meet a range of operational needs. The NIMR HIT is a dependable and useful tool for military forces around the world because of its strong design, strong engine, and cutting-edge capabilities. A flexible instrument for military operations, the Light Portable Obstacle and Minefield Breaching System (L-POMBS) is made to safely and effectively clear a way through fine fields and other obstacles. In battle scenarios, the L-POMBS provides a major edge. Because of its small size and lightweight, individual soldiers may easily carry and deploy it, enabling quick reaction to threats by detonating mines and removing barriers with controlled explosives. The L-POMBS aids in troop protection and safe passage over hazardous terrain. It is a useful tool for militaries all around the world because of its effectiveness and portability.